Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show, where we talk about the biggest issues impacting millennial money, from student loan debt to side hustles to building wealth. We will show you how to get out of debt so that you can build real wealth for the future.
Well, all the cool kids are doing it. Why shouldn't you? Investing in Bitcoin is what we're talking about today on the College Investor Audio Show. It is the top 10 Bitcoin and crypto investing sites. Okay, so since it's all the rage investing in Bitcoin, how exactly does a beginner actually get started doing this? Do you need to already have Bitcoin to invest in it? Or do you just transfer money from your bank account to somewhere and convert it to Bitcoin? What does that look like? We'll answer all of these questions and list the 10 most popular websites for investing in Bitcoin today. Going forward, we'll use BTC, which is the symbol for Bitcoin on exchanges and trading platforms. So BTC, Bitcoin, same thing. Now, if you just want to earn a high return with crypto, you might consider a crypto savings account. These accounts pay up to, get this, 12%. But they do come with some risks, just like regular crypto investing. So you can check out the best cryptocurrency savings accounts as well at thecollegeinvestor.com. Let's talk about how to invest in Bitcoin. Investing in BTC is similar to investing in stocks, except far more volatile because of the daily swings in BTC. So here are the steps to invest in stocks from the beginning. Number 1, open a brokerage account at a firm that allows crypto investments. 2, deposit funds from your bank into the brokerage account. 3, buy a stock using those deposited funds, or cash balance, if you will. 4, later sell the stock for a gain or loss. Funds are returned to your cash balance. That's it. The main difference with BTC is, of course, step 3. You buy BTC or another cryptocurrency instead of stock. With BTC, the flow is similar in most cases, but it depends on the exchange or trading platform. In some cases, you can actually buy BTC using your credit card or just by transferring funds from your bank account. For other platforms, you must transfer BTC directly. This is known as a direct deposit of BTC. So we'll discuss how to invest in BTC for U.S. citizens. The methods vary across countries, just because of the differences in laws and regulations. Some countries require more private information than others do to verify that you are legitimate. So here's how to deposit USD to buy Bitcoin and crypto. Coinbase. This is one of the most popular platforms and has a pretty straightforward process too. Some of the mentioned websites that we're going to talk about today will follow the same process. We love Coinbase because you get $10 if you invest $100. I like that. With Coinbase, you open a Coinbase account and link your bank account or your credit card. Then transfer funds from your bank account to purchase BTC or purchase using your credit card. Credit card purchases of BTC are the most expensive. The mechanics of purchasing BTC involve entering a USD amount or a BTC amount. The website will then convert to other currency. For example, if you enter in 500 USD, the website will fill in the BTC side with 0.0357, or whatever the current BTC exchange rate is. Once you have the amount filled in, click to purchase your BTC. While credit card transactions cost the most, they are also the fastest to complete BTC transactions. Bank accounts can take up to, 3-4 days, but keep in mind that you will get the exchange rate at the time you purchased BTC. If BTC goes up 1,000 by the time your transaction completes 3 days later, you'll miss out on the rise. Where exactly does the BTC you've purchased go? After all, you haven't invested it yet. Your BTC sits in what's called a digital wallet. Most all exchanges have their own wallet that you use to contain your BTC. Going back to the brokerage example, your cash balance is used to trade stocks. BTC in your wallet is used to trade BTC. What about your USD? We have lots of acronyms today, don't we? Anyway, your wallet has a space for BTC and USD. If you deposit 10,000 USD, US dollars, and buy 5,000 US dollars of BTC, your wallet will look like this. 5,000 USD, and then right underneath it says 0.34 BTC. Wallets are a big topic of discussion when talking about cryptocurrencies. We won't go into depth with them, but you can use a standalone wallet if you don't want to use the exchange's wallet. Electrum.org, ELECTRUM, Electrum.org, is just one example of a standalone wallet. This can be a desktop, mobile, or website based. You can even use a hardware wallet such as ledgerwallet.com. Once you've deposited funds with the exchange of choice and purchased BTC, you're ready to invest. Trading platforms on the exchanges look very similar to brokerage platforms. You'll have a chart and buy and sell buttons with the amount of BTC to trade. When trading in BTC, you can exchange into other cryptocurrencies, which is another method for selling BTC, or you can exchange out of another cryptocurrency and into BTC, which is the same as buying BTC. Direct deposit of BTC. So, in the case that the exchange doesn't allow purchasing BTC by transferring funds or using a credit card, you can deposit BTC from another exchange. This is done by getting your wallet address from the target exchange. Then, enter it on the source exchange along with the amount of BTC to transfer to the new exchange. The transaction takes a few minutes, that's it, for the exchanged BTC to appear in the target wallet. Now, let's get to the top 10 most popular Bitcoin and crypto investing sites. Here is our list of the most popular. Number 1, eToro. eToro has been around for a while in the UK and throughout Europe, but they're now allowing traders in the United States. Woohoo! They offer a huge variety of digital assets to buy and sell on their platform, and even better, they have a practice trading account, so you can kind of give it a try before you actually use real money. Number 2, Coinbase. So as we just mentioned, Coinbase is by far the most popular because you can invest directly with US dollars. However, you can only currently purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin on the platform. Number 3, Robinhood offers free crypto trades on their platform. Thank you. They are starting in just a few states and with just Bitcoin and Ethereum, but they do plan on expanding this quickly. There are limitations, but it's free. Number 4, Gemini. Okay, so Gemini is a very popular platform to invest in crypto because of its focus on security and transparency. Unlike some exchanges that appear a little bit vulnerable, Gemini makes it a focus to protect its customers. Thank you, Gemini. Number 5, Bitstamp.net. They allow a direct deposit of Bitcoin. It's not as easy to use as some of the top platforms on this list, but you can still try Bitstamp.net. It works. Number 6, Bitfinex.com. Have multiple cryptocurrencies available. You trade on margin. It's not as easy to use, but you can still try it out. Number 7, HitBTC.com. Now, they advertise as the most advanced Bitcoin exchange. Not as easy to use as some of the other ones we've mentioned on the list, but you can still try it out. There's a link at thecollegeinvestor.com. Here's number 8, Binance or Binance. Either way, it works. A great platform for getting into some currencies like Cardano or Neo. And it's not as easy to use, of course, but you can still try Binance at thecollegeinvestor.com. And number 9, Kraken.com. It allows for margin trading. Not as easy as some of the other more popular ones. Number 10, CoinMama.com. Love the name. It does Bitcoin and Ether. You can buy with a credit card, Bitcoin, or Ether. Not as easy to use, but it still has a really cool name. Coin Mama. There's a link at thecollegeinvestor.com. So, here's a couple of final thoughts for you. Investing in BTC isn't much different from investing in stocks. With BTC, you do need to open an account with an exchange. With stocks, you open an account with a brokerage. Then you deposit funds. The only difference with investing in BTC is that you have to purchase BTC first using deposited funds before you can actually trade BTC. Although your initial purchase of BTC is your first opening trade. This is very intriguing, and it continues to grow and grow, this whole Bitcoin thing. If you want to find out more about it and kind of dig a little bit deeper, maybe go from beginner to intermediate to expert, all of that, it's at thecollegeinvestor.com. If you want to see this list and all of the links, just type in the search bar, top 10 Bitcoin crypto investing sites, and you'll see it, as well as all of the links. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and we'll talk to you again very soon.